Hello, in front of me I have Disel On Full Guard 2.5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the right middle button, like this, then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here we have Do Not Disturb mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on it, like that, and to disable it you need to open the quick panel again and tap on the icon again, like this. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.